Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start right away by clearing space. First, make sure your iPhone runs a recent iOS. Backups are optional but wise. Next, long press an app icon, choose Remove App and select Move to App Library so the icon leaves the home screen but stays accessible. Repeat across the first pages and remove any widgets by long pressing them and selecting Remove Widget. Doing these actions immediately reduces clutter and prepares pages. Once done removing individual apps and widgets, press and hold an empty area until icons jiggle, then tap the page indicator dots. You can now uncheck any page to hide it. This is how you make a home screen effectively blank. Make sure you've moved every icon from the target page into the app library or into folders you'll hide. Leaving one icon prevents hiding. These steps give you a blank visual without deleting apps entirely. To finish, ensure the blank home screen page is the active, visible page and tap Done to lock the layout. Optionally enable a focus mode to suppress app suggestions, widgets, and notifications so the display stays clean. If icons reappear later, check app library placements, return to edit pages to rehide pages, or use settings right arrow general right arrow reset home screen layout as a last resort. This troubleshooting tip resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.